right? Larry could do it, I could do it.
But you don't have that thing in the back though.
Action van versus Weldtec.
Let's do it.
Ooh, easy work.
Okay.
I'll do whatever Larry does. Action van versus Weldtec video. Make the kids at home happy, right?
Yeah.
Oh, Schmidt.
Oh, nice. Hey, how's it going?
Good, how are you? I'm Larry.
What's your name?
Larry.
Larry, I'm Brooke. Nice
Hi,
to
Brooke.
meet you.
So you didn't leave me? Yes.
The Action Van lift kit.
Recommend it.
That's the one I'm gonna be getting.
Right on, well, let me give you a card.
That's awesome. I love this. Yeah, dude,
Wait,
definitely.
are you Larry, the guy who sells Action Van?
No way. No way. Dude, he's like your biggest advocate, dude. He's been telling everybody.
All right, go for it, man. All right, we got Sebastian, and we got Larry from Action Van. Sebastian's leading, Larry from Action Van's in the middle, and I'm following. I'll do what Larry just did right over the rock. I figure whatever Larry does, I could do. Right?
Yeah.
There's Larry's van right there from Action Van Suspension. Is my van on a Weldtec. And then here's the Action Van. He has the pivoting radius arm right there. That's what I recommend to my subscribers going with Action Van Suspension. Get the 2010 and newer radius arm so you have that pivot. The Weldtec is cool, but I don't like how the radius arm is just a bushing instead of a pivot. Watch this, let's see if they wave. They always wave. Yeah, see me? That's the fun part.
Yeah. These guys. Give
Yeah.
a thumbs up.
Yep.
Yep.
That's fun. It's so awesome.
I don't know, I just gave a thumbs up.
Yeah. That's what I love about this.
I don't know.
Anything, just acknowledge them.
Hard rock, heavy metal.
Yeah.
Just don't flip them off, right?
No. I think we're all happy people out here. Everyone out here is happy.
Yeah.
Man, I'm in a good mood today. Extra good mood today. This was what a surprise. Like I said, like an impromptu. Of all people, who's gonna impromptu? It's the OG guy who's been lifting vans for 25 years. You know,
Yeah.
That's cool. That's a van fan right there.
Oh yeah.
was there fine?
They're bad. They were able to back
Okay.
down.
Have a good one, guys. See, everyone's happy, even if you create a traffic jam, right?
Yes.
Oh God, nice. It's nice. So we got bikes now.
Yes.
That's easy. They could just go off to the side.
Yeah.
Yeah. Everyone's cool.
Yeah, everyone's cool.
Love it. Oh, that's a good one. You guys get to hear some V10 right now. That's pretty impressive. Oh man. Oh, he ripped up that.
Yeah, I know.
Here we go, watch this. V10. Easy money.
Oh my gosh.
There's my microwave.
I know. Did you break something with that?
Nah, I bounce it around all the time.
That climb. He stopped. Why did
This
he
is
stop?
probably why he's probably making
He's
videos.
backing up. Oh.
Oh, okay.
He went the wrong way. He didn't know he was gonna fall off. I wonder why he didn't want to take it. Oh no,
He's gonna momentum the thing?
Yeah. He needs
The rip up of it. Oh.
Yeah.
He made easy work of that.
Oh yeah.
All right. I'm good, man. We're gonna follow him. We're following him, right? Okay. You go first. Go first, you have the camera. No, you follow Larry. I'll be between you guys. Okay. All right. Maybe he had us aired down for a reason.
Yeah.
Or he's gonna lead us to something.
Oh yeah. Oh, look at them all. Look, he's about to
Oh
over.
jeez.
Like,
Oh, you know what? We got the same size lift. I have faith we're gonna be okay.
oh my gosh.
That's not bad. It looked worse than it was, right?
Yeah.
You want to look outside? Are we good?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
We're good.
We're
You're
good. Okay. Don't want to lose my camera. Oh, this is nice.
Where is your camera?
Not on the side right here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, he has my other one. See it
Okay.
pasted on his window?
Yeah, I saw you put one on, but I know.
Yeah. That's Larry. And it is better for your tires when you run over rocks when it's
Yeah.
deflated. Oh, nice. Are you gonna get your camera for this one? I get a picture. All sideways.
I'm gonna roll out of the car if I get out.
Huh?
I said if I get out to do it.
Oh no, don't do it. Get out of the car. You'll fall out.
I know.
come look at this though. This is the best part of it.
Larry was the lead guy, and he led us all the way up here. And there's Flying J right there. Three-inch spacer lift, action van suspension, and Weldtec. So here they are, all next to each other. Gorman, Hungry Valley, lifted van meet. You don't need a lifted van to hang out with us. This is Campos Vasquez's rig, Coleman Starflight B+ RV. Very cool. And I've always said this: you could have the biggest rig, but you never have enough storage. We even have a Corolla with us. Jose PhD 27's car right here. Campos Vasquez. Larry says he could lift your van.